Good morning, Redeemer families. I am doing a little bit of activities around my house, and I wanted to share some of them with you, really in anticipation of Easter coming up and Holy Week, some things that you can do within your own house to really make sure that you're preparing the way for the Lord and doing something fun for your children so that they also can play a part in what's going on with Holy Week. So one of the things that we're doing is resurrection eggs. So most people have these around their house. They're just some plastic eggs. Some of the activities are going to be to hide these eggs, to be able to have your kids place them in order, really in the spirit of going through everything that Jesus went through it during the Holy Week. So some of the material that you need is going to be the eggs. What I also have here just laid out on what you can place inside of the eggs is a palm branch. I also have some soap for when Jesus washes the feet of the disciples. I have a piece of a cracker for symbolizing the Last Supper. I have a flower for when Jesus asked his apostles to stay awake with him in the garden. I have some coins, really representing the silver that Judas used to betray Jesus. I have rope, which any kind of rope that you have around your house, or some twine. In our case, we had some yarn, so we're using that. And that's going to be for representing bounding and arresting Jesus. We have a little bit of, this is from my rose bush, so it should be some thorns, really representing the crown of thorns that's used. I also have some nails. This represents Jesus being nailed to the cross. This right here is a sponge that has vinegar on it. And then last but not least is going to be, or actually I should say second from last, this is going to be your spices and your cloth, preparing Jesus's body. And then the last one is going to be really just a stone. Any kind of piece of gravel will do. And that's obviously symbolic of Jesus rising from the dead and rolling away the stone for the tomb. So again, one of the things that you can do is you can place all of these items inside of the eggs. You can hide the eggs around your house. You can actually just put the eggs in random order and have your kids put them back in order to really kind of go through the steps of what Jesus went through. So just some great things that you can do to really bring Easter to life in your house and have something fun that you can do with your kids. So I hope that this works for you guys, and that's it. Signing off. Thank you.